Okay, you gotta hang on while I try to get my glove back on. Come here for a minute, darling. Point that towards me. Don't do nothing. I'm gonna take you out in the blizzard. Let me put my things back on. Thank you. Say bye. Okay. Here it is. Woo. Oh my goodness, this is the first blizzard of the year. I hope you can hear me over the wind. I'm taking you into my backyard. Plenty of you that say you like snow and storms. Here you go. Oh, I can't look at it. It pelts your face so hard that you can't breathe, so I gotta keep my face away. Whew, I'm gonna turn around a bit. Oh boy. See the snow now flipping across there? Hang on. Oh, what do you think? Oh, hang on. Oh, I hope you can see it. Anyways, it's just a beautiful day. This is a blizzard, a real one. Apparently it's supposed to get worse. It's, I think the winds are about 60 kilometers an hour right now. They're supposed to go up to 100. And I would imagine my house won't be impressed. Sorry, I hope I'm holding you part of the way. Alright, get one more good look over my shoulder there. Oh, neat. Just in case you don't believe me. I'm sure you can see it really when he's out there laughing at me. Look at him. Anyways, that's about all I can stand for now. I hope you enjoyed it. That's wicked. It just pelts you. I should mention just about everything's closed today. Let's go here and show you the house. Oh. Hopefully I won't trip. I can't open my eyes. Woo! There you go. Part of the back of my house. Needless to say, I think it's costing us a fair bit to keep that house warm today. Oh. Oh man, this is freezing cold. They closed the highway. I actually have the what do you call, the viewfinder pointed towards the highway. I shouldn't say they closed it. They have told people they should not be driving unless it's an emergency. Considering you can't even see the road, I think is a good idea. Oh, now this is what you call a whiteout. If you watch the houses and stuff across the street, all of a sudden they'll sort of disappear on you. Oh. Anyways, one more blast for you and then I'm going in. Oh, died down there for a second. I can almost turn around.